And bang, I just rugged the shit out of everyone, bro. This just keeps going. I rugged everyone on this. Last week alone, I was able to generate $17,000 off of just fucking rugging coins. Like, that's literally all I was doing. Fuck the trenches. Fuck all that. Fuck losing your Solana. I was literally able to make it all off rugging coins. That is the method in 2025. And stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. If you guys really want to start making this money, it doesn't take a lot of work. Like, it doesn't take you being special or whatever it is, like being talented at something. Like, all you have to do is lock in and just listen to me. I'm going to give you step by step on how to become this right here. So for beginners, we all know what Pump.Fun is, right? You could launch a coin there. You could, rug people, whatever it is. You could launch a coin. Pretty simple. It doesn't take long. It doesn't take a lot of money. And it's fairly saturated, in my opinion. It's pretty saturated and it's ass. It is fucking ass. Everyone knows that these are all shitterbox coins. Like, no one is going to buy this. Like, is that supposed to be like John Pork or what? Like, but really, this is all ass. Like, the market cap on these coins are shit. Everything is shit. And the reason why it's shit is because they don't have actual like professional work behind them. They don't have any developers. They don't have real work like that's going to show its validity or that it's a legit coin. It's just, it's ass, right? So this is where Memefast.Fun is. And I'm going straight to the point in this video because I don't want to make it too long and I don't want to keep you guys watching for a while, I'm just going to give you guys the sauce and I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. So yeah, Memefast.Fun. That is the website that I use. That is how I'm able to create coins that are really going to be universal. Like, if you guys go on different dexes or whatever it is, like example here, Photon, and you take off Pump.Fun and you see Radium, right? These coins have crazy market caps. And the reason why they have crazy market caps is because they have developers, they have coding, they have a whole team, a whole project behind them. And this website right here, Memefast.Fun, is going to let you launch coins on the Radium DEX without going through all the BS, like without putting all the coding, without hiring all these nerds and all these Jeets. Like, you guys are going to be able to launch a coin here on Radium. So it's not going to come out over here like on Pump.Fun where you see all these crappy coins. It's actually going to come out here, which is crazy because, if you guys really have a background in any of this, you know that when people want to buy coins, they're only going to scan like the Radium app, but I mean the Radium DEX. People are going to come on here and they're going to only invest in coins that are on Radium, for say like these coins. Like, look at them, look at the market cap. It's crazy. So this is where Memefast.Fun comes in. So after you go to Memefast.Fun, you guys are going to see that you need to collect your Phantom wallet, which I already did. Now I'm already step 1. So right here on token name and token symbol, you want to keep it fairly simple. You want to do some research. In my personal experience, coins that have always done good are based on real life events. What I mean by that is go on things that are actually happening on real people, not some shitter coin that you're going to see here on Pump.Fun that, like, bro, this is retarded. Like, go on Google Trends. This is what I recommend. Go on Google Trends and trending now. The most trending thing right now is deep vein thrombosis. If you don't know what that is, it's basically a DVT where blood gets clogged and, it's pretty bad. Like, you could literally die from it. It happens to people after surgery and it's usually like in the legs and stuff like that. But this is important and it's trending because if you guys know anything about basketball, if you're based in the United States, I really don't give a shit about sports, but on Twitter or X, like you call it, I saw that it was trending as well. So after I went on Google Trends, I went to X, and as you could see, this superstar player is expected to miss the remainder of the season with a DVT in his right shoulder. So that's pretty, we're in on this pretty early, 6 hours. That's not too bad. If we go right here and see if there's anything on it, we could pretty much catch the wave. Yeah, there's nothing on it. So we're in the right fucking spot right now, boys. Like, we're literally in the mix right now. So that's pretty good. We're going to go back to Memefast.Fun and we're going to make this one called Deep Vein Thrum. Just like that. And the token symbol limit to only 8 characters. We're going to call it DVT. That's perfect. So right here on the image, it's going to be a 500 by 500. For the sake of this video, just go to Canva and create a logo, put the image there, download it, and it's gonna default give you a 500 by 500. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip that. Well, I'm not gonna skip it, but I'm gonna cut the scene and put it right there for you guys. So now that I added the image right there, I'm just gonna go ahead and click next. So now that we're on step 2 out of 3, make sure you guys keep the total supply at 1 billion right there. Just leave it at that. You guys don't have to mess with that. Don't fuck with it. Just leave it like that. So for the description, we're just going to put Spurs are cooked. Bro is out. Obviously, you're not going to make it look like that. You're going to make it look very professional. I'm just doing this for the sake of this video. And who knows, maybe this coin is going to get pumped and I'm going to rug the shit out of everyone. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to leave it at that. You guys are obviously going to make it more professional, you know, something that you're familiar with, and just make it professional where it seems legit, right? So these are just a little bit steps, you know, that it talks about, but you guys don't have to worry about that. And I did not mention, but if you guys see this video, look at this right here. Holy shit, boys. 5 hours, bro. Like, stop waiting right now. This is the perfect time. Like, stop waiting, bro. Come on. All right, so right here, we're pretty much going to leave this the way it is. You guys don't have to mess with that. But on these, you guys really need to pay attention to, because when people look at coins on here, they're just shitter boxes, right? And like I mentioned before on Photon, with these coins that are launched on Radium, yes, Memefast.Fun is going to allow you to launch it on Radium, but a lot of these coins that people invest in, they're going to have these. Like, it's going to be legit. Like, so make sure you guys select all these. It's going to give quality to your coin. It's going to make it look more legit. It's going to make it not look like a shitter rug over here. So make sure you guys do click all those. So when people see your coin, they're going to think it's legit and they're going to buy it, and you can make a shit ton of money. So we're just going to go ahead and create the token now. All right, boys. So I had a monumental fuck up where I recorded and all the shit stayed on the same screen. So I had to redo everything, but here I am back. Here's the token that we created. After you guys click create token, it's just going to prompt you a couple of things telling you about, like, warning you, whatever, but it's just for security reasons. Just keep going. Everything's legit. And after you create everything, it's going to send you to this right here, where you are going to be able to see your liquidity pool, your transaction. You could view it on Explorer right here. So if we click that right there, it's going to show you the transaction and everything. So I'll go ahead and show you guys, but you guys really don't need to worry about this at all. So the next thing you want to do is you want to click create liquidity pool. And I already created a liquidity pool for this one, but I'm just going to show you guys what it is. So right there is our token. There's our Solana. You want to go ahead and click max on this one, max it out. And I do recommend to do anywhere from 0.5 to 2 Solana, right? So 0.5 to 2 Solana. After you create liquidity pool, you click create pool. It's going to send you to where you're going to be able to view it on Photon, and you're going to be able to view your actual token live on Photon, and you could actually see it pumping and where people are buying. Once your token is actually created and it's on Photon and you could view it and everything, you're pretty much set from there on the basis of creating a coin and launching it. Now we get to this part, and really it's pretty self-explanatory on how much money you want to make. People are going to buy it if you do the correct market research, like I told you guys. So once it reaches a certain market cap, or wherever you are, stop being greedy and you want to just, you know, do this for educational purposes, of course, you then do that. You rug the shit out of it, right? The next step is you get rich. After you get rich, you're going to retire your parents. So that's it. That's the blueprint. That is literally the way to do it in 2025. The other way to do it is, if you don't use memefast.fun, you will be a brokey. Simple as that. What happens if you're a brokey? You will not get a Lambo. And if you don't have a Lambo, you are gay. That's it. And it goes back to Pump.Fun being ass. So that's the blueprint, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comment, like, subscribe, share this video. I do have a Telegram that I'm going to link in there. If you guys have any questions, reach out to me or watch any of my previous videos and it will help you.